Hi guys, so this is just going to be a little quick sampling of the sound of the 2021 Cedar top guitar that I have available currently. A little bit of a disclaimer, I am just using a laptop, whatever the built-in microphone on this is, it is what I have, and so that's what I'm using. I am not a sound engineer by any stretch of the imagination. Given that, I'm just going to kind of noodle around a little bit on the guitar, play some things. If you guys are interested in a little bit more in-depth samplings of what the instrument has to offer, you can send me a message. I'm happy to set up a Zoom call, video, and then in real time you can, hey, can you try this out? Can you show me this? And I'll do that on camera in real time so that you get a broader idea of all the aspects of the guitar. And if there's something that a component visually that you're looking to see, I can shove that up into the camera to give you an idea, because I know it's limited with the photos and stuff on Reverb. So like I said, I'm just going to noodle around a little bit and kind of go from there. My second disclaimer, or last disclaimer, will be I am not a professional performer, player. My technique is lacking in several areas. I really just build these days. So my playing is kind of what my playing is. So here's some sound samplings. So there you go. That's a little quick sampling of some of the sounds of the guitar. Like I said, if you want a little bit more in-depth where I can kind of go through stuff a little bit better, shoot me a message on Reverb and I can set up a Zoom meeting for us. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the sampling.